How to use Agoda coupon at checkout. What's up everyone? For today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can use Agoda coupon at checkout. Make sure to watch until the end of this video for you to do this on your own and to avoid mistakes as well. Without further ado, let's get into it. First is you need to go to Agoda website, then search for the hotel that you want to book and enter your travel dates. After modifying these options, click on search and then various options will be shown now in your screen. Just pick whatever room and hotel that you desire, then scroll down and click on book. The next thing that you want to do is to enter your personal details. So in my case right here, the option or the box where it will say enter a coupon or promo code is not showing, but in some cases it will appear right in this part and you will be able to see the box where you can enter your coupon or promo code for Agoda checkout. If you see that option, just enter the code and then hit apply. The discount should be added to your booking total. So just complete the process by entering your card details and every information that is needed for you to book your Agoda checkout. If you need further assistance, you can also contact Agoda customer support. And that's it. That is how you can use the Agoda coupon at checkout. Hope this video helps. Thank you so much for watching.